Hi friends, today this video is about Bark Online OCES DGFS 2021 exam. You can go to the website barkonlineexam.in and either choose engineering or science, whichever applicable, and see this OCS DGFS 2021, and you can click on the menu bar and see important information, downloads, information brochure, how to apply, fact, help desk, candidate link, and apply online. And the online application started from July 12th, I think. Okay, and you can see this from how to apply. You can see how you can apply, and there is all the details are here. And online application started from July 12th, and you can download the Bark information brochure and see all the details, all the important details here. Okay, you can either apply through gate score or choose written exam, and application fee is for 500, and women and other categories are exempted from the fee. Okay, and then you could see the important dates here. I'll show you. Apply online, you can see apply online here, and eligibility criteria, you can see all the details here. Schema and eligibility criteria, eligible disciplines, grade and pay scale, selection process, important dates, and examination cities, about online, everything is here. Okay, they are starting from 12th July, started already, and the closing date is 7th August 2021, and the last date of submission of online application 9th August, and online examination slot booking 20 to 25th August, and it's all nearby, starting we'll get the exam in September. Online examination is on 5th to 12th September, and display listed candidates of shortlisted for interview online application 21st September. I think everything is in fast pay. They're given in the website, and you can see all the details, and just to go through this website and just click on apply online, and you can see here, and see the maximum age limit here. For general 26 years, OBC 29 years, SC/ST 31 years, and all other categories also seen here. And the fee also here. General category they need 500, OBC 500, and women also fee exempted, physically challenged on fee exempted. Okay, then you can click on the applicant login and candidate home, personal information, academic information, screening information, payment stage, final submission, and completion. Okay, you need to have a valid email ID, and you need to have your all personal details and academic information and screening information, and you need a phone number for the OTP or email ID. Okay, and you can click the make payment through online. Okay, through credit card or debit card or online application. Okay, just click on this. I have read and understood the information, and just start the application, proceed to registration. Okay, just read everything. I'm just showing it as a sample detail. Okay, screen carefully, they can be changed frequently. Okay, they'll see a pop-up window, and you just click on I agree, and then write which discipline you want, and click on which discipline: chemical, civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, or anything. I'm just clicking computer science. Qualifying degree: BTech, BE, BSc, 5-year integrated MTech, or anything. If you are an MTech pass out, then just click on BTech, because we are not having a 5-year integrated MTech. So if you are MTech qualified, then just click on BTech. Okay, and salutation, just click Mr., Miss, Mrs., everything, anything you are. Okay, Mrs. Okay, then name, just write your name, middle name, last name, and again we have to write confirm name. Okay, then mother's name. It's important to write correct mother's name, because they will verify at the examination center, and date of birth, then email ID, mobile number, then click on everything, and login details preferred, and you should write the password, and you should keep it up with you, because you need it every time you want to see the result, and when it's about interview, it's all needed. Okay, just click on how did you know about work and everything, and just submit it, then give the academic information and everything. Okay, thank you.